Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So this particular video is on ticker symbol MMAT, and also I'm going to talk about ticker symbol MMTLP. You know they both are connected. So recently I made a video on MMAT, so I'm going to make another one. So hopefully you will like this particular video. So I'm going to talk about the price action, short interest, option chain activity, ideas for trading, so many other things. So hopefully you will like this particular video. So we will talk, but most interestingly, if you see the chart MMAT recently, it is doing a nice run from 0.8 all the way to 1.6, double your money if you bought at 0.8. Also, if you look at MMTLP, it wants to break out, looking very, very nice. So I'm going to talk about it. And if you like this particular video, then please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, I have a private trading community. The link will be in the first comment. So once you join that community, you will get access to my Discord. You can see that each morning I give different ticker symbol with the entry and exit price. Last Friday was a monster. We made some huge move for ticker symbol hoodie, 280%, PKBO 100%, SNTG. So anyway, these are some of the profits from last Friday. Well, this is the hoodie I was talking about. So anyway, the link for my private community will be in the first comment. And also recently we introduced a bot for trading. So currently it gives an automated alert on the shorting side, on the long side. So if you're a member, you will get access to trading for Tesla, Apple, SPY, and many different things, even for option trading. Anyway, let's talk about MMAT. First of all, if I look at a 1 hour chart, you can see that the stock price went down a lot. And I'm going to add one more support here. Then I'm going to talk about the price action. So you can see that the price came down a lot, but it was moving between 1.4 and $2. Strong resistance at $2. Then it just dropped from $2 all the way to 1.1. Then it broke 0.84. Now see how this thing is going up. Okay, so when it broke 0.84, right, you can see the resistance at 0.84. It came below all the way to 0.65. It went over all the way to 1.65, came back, and it bounced from 0.85, this particular area. So whatever was the resistance became the new support. Then again it pushed, came down a little bit, then made a new support right around 1005. Then again pushing and coming back. But the good thing is the resistance level, which was 1.36, it got rejected again, came back to 1.25, and it broke 1.37, went all the way to 1.6. I think if it comes down, maybe you will see some kind of bounce around 1.35. But I'm more interested to see can the run continue and go all the way to $2, because the trend is looking really, really nice. Maybe at $2 you might see some kind of resistance, but so far this thing is running a lot. If you look at the RSI on an hourly level, you can see the RSI is very hot. Currently it is at 76. Previously it went back to 90, came back. So when the RSI goes a lot, like 88, 90, it's supposed to come down. So you might see a day with a pullback. That is okay, and that is good for the stock, because when something goes up, comes down, but the pullback is not that high, is really good. So maybe it goes slowly, step by step, is good for this stock. So you might see a pullback, so be prepared to take profit. Maybe you can just buy at the dip. If you're swing trading, if you're day trading, then definitely on my Discord, or even you can just make pre-market levels for trading. So I'm going to talk about more, but let's look at a few other things. So if you look at the volume, last Friday the volume was 17 million compared to average volume of 13 million. Not a lot of volume coming, but the stock was up 11.7%. In terms of MMTLP, the volume was nothing, right? The average volume was 1.7 million, and last Friday the volume was only 0.7 million. For MMAT, the day-by-day volume, we can see the volume is picking up, but it's still not that high. In October 13th, it got lots of volume, 76 million, right? Look at the chart, 76 million, it went over $1. Now the volume is not like before, but if we see more volume, like 40, 50, 60 million, that will be really interesting, because the short interest is 9.66%. The short interest is high. The utilization is 100%, meaning that there is no shares available to short. At the same time, the cost to borrow is 10.48. So as long as long the volume will come, this thing will move. Looking at the option side, if you look here, you can see that last Friday the 1.5 strike lots of call options were in the money, so they will be executed. If we go next week expiry, you can see 1.5 and 2, so good concentration of call option. Also look at the implied volatility. So you can also make money playing some call option. You can also make money even selling some call options. So if you know how to navigate in this market, you can make money from stock going up, going down, options, call, put, buy, sell, so many different ways. And we do everything over our Discord, because you can see that we have day trade, swing trade, option, so many different things. So anyway, so the other thing I want to talk about, MMTLP. You can see that the stock is looking really, really nice, right? It went to 7.5, came back to 3.38. Again, it is trying to push. And if you look here, it some people can say cup and handle. It is making a handle, but seems like it wants to break 7.56 and it wants to run higher, 10-12%. I saw some YouTube videos saying price target of 10-12. I haven't checked the main source, so I don't know. I do not want to give anything fake, but 10-12, I don't know. But looking like the chart, just looking at the chart, it is looking really, really nice. So this is MMTLP and this is MMAT. Okay, so both are looking really, really nice. You should keep this to your watch list for trading. Now let's make a plan if you really want to day trade for this particular one. So what we do normally for day trading, so in the morning we look at pre-market prices, then we give 2 entries, then we also make a profit target, right? I come live and I talk how we want to play this. So let's look at MMAT. So just looking at the price action, you can see a few areas here. First of all, one area of support, I think around 1.5, right? The next area of support, I would say around 1.46, and then 1.37. We have to see, can it push the boundary? You might see it breaks 1.6 and come back and bounce from 1.6, meaning that 1.6 resistance is the new support. So you can make day trading, swing trading, option, long term, so many different things. When a stock is moving, there are multiple ways to make money. So anyway, this is MMAT. I remember the stock. You look at the daily chart, you can see that the price, the price went to 22. I know, like it was before the split and everything. From 22 it came back to $3, again it went to $6, and now it came down a lot. So even on a daily, I'm going to hide everything here. So even on a daily, look at the chart here. So the bottom was around like 50-60 cents. So it came here and it bouncing back. Strong resistance at $2, but whenever it will break $2, I expect this to go to $3. Then we have something $4 and so on. So looking very, very nice. I think you also like this particular price action. The other thing I was talking about, hoodie, you can see that that thing was, our entry was around 50 the other day. You can see hoodie 61.7 first entry, second entry is 50. It came to 50 and it moved all the way to 190, almost 4 times your money. So it was a monster trade. So we made some good money on Friday. So if you're part of my Discord community or even EHF community, you know about this trade ideas and you made some money. So in that case, congratulations. So anyway, thanks for watching this particular video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also the link to join my private community in the first comment. Just $9 per month, 30 cents per day. Even you make a trade, there is a $1 commission, right? It's so cheap. So anyway, thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.